Hello guys, this is my animated Halloween Grim Reaper doorbell. It's really nice and detailed. It's by Toy State, and it's really nice. There's a speaker right there. Yeah, I really like him. I got him like, let's see, maybe like a few years ago. Uh, it was really nice. I got him back. I think back in like 2017, or was it like 2018? I have no idea. I mean, hell. So anyways, uh, it's got really nice detail. It's got like a lantern right there. There's the chummy button. There's the face, really nice. You can't see the LED lights in his eyes, but there's a speaker, and yes, he's pretty loud too. Yeah, he's pretty loud. Yeah, he was made in 1992, and there's the bats. There's the moon right there. It's really nice. Here's the back of it, and as you can see, it says Toy State. I don't know if you can see that well. It says Toy State right there. 1992. I don't know if you can see that as well, but 1992. No, I don't think you can see that well, but it says made back in 1992. Toy State. Uh, anyways, I will demonstrate it for you, and yeah, and here we go.
Come in, if you dare.
Really nice. He says like when he lights up, he says like the door knocks about like 4 times or something, and then he says like something like enter if you dare or something like that, some shit. And he's just really cool. The lantern lights up and his eyes light up. I'll play it for you again.
Come in, if you dare.
Yeah, he's really nice. I love him. And I'll show you the batteries in it. It takes like 3 AA's right here. That's his batteries right there. Yeah, he takes 3 AA's. And yeah, I really like him. Yeah, I also got him hanging by a piece of metal wire that's screwed into the door. Yeah, it's a screw. Yeah. Yeah, he's really cool. They also make another one of these, except it's a locked up dungeon ghoul, and when you push the button on it, it has like a scream on it, and and he says like um he doesn't say come in if you dare. He says like uh something like you're in for a scare. Let me think. He said let's see. Uh oh yeah. Oh, okay. He's just like, wait right there. You're in for a scare, and he laughs.